What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the new ASUS Zenfone 10, it is still a powerful smartphone but probably less compact. Coming in the video, ASUS Zenfone 10 latest features, specs, launch date and more. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. For more daily tech news and updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon as well. ASUS is actively working on its Zenfone 10 smartphone, and rumors are circulating on the network. The high-end smartphone has been seen on the Geekbench site, which follows you to get a first idea of its ambitions. The ASUS Zenfone 10 is starting to get people talking. The successor to the very good Zenfone 9 has actually been spotted on the Geekbench 6 benchmarking tool, thus revealing part of its technical shade. It thus appears under the reference ASUS AI2302 in the site's database. Unsurprisingly, ASUS Flagship should be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, potentially paired with a 16GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of storage. The firm is recognized for knowing how to take full advantage of chipsets. We can therefore expect this new model to offer high performance in multitasking, especially in gaming. Resource MySmartPrice has also published a good part of the characteristics of the smartphone, which must however be taken with a grain of salt. According to the site, it will be equipped with a 6.3 inches AMOLED panel displaying in Full HD Plus 2400 by 1080 pixels, capable of offering image refresh rate at up to 120 Hz. We do not yet know if it will be LTPO compatible. According to the available data, ASUS would rely on a 200 megapixel main camera sensor with optical image stabilization, but few details have leaked about it. We imagine that it will be accompanied by at least one ultra-wide-angle module and perhaps an optical zoom. The site specifies that it will be once again benefit from an IP68 certification. The resource specifies that it will be once again benefit from an IP68 certification, making it waterproof, which seems quite plausible in this range. The size of the battery has not been disclosed, but we can assume that it will be larger than that of the ASUS Zenfone 9 smartphone. Expectedly, it will be 4300 mAh battery. The latest rumors suggest a charging power of 67 watts, higher than the 30 watts of the past model. The handset would run on Android 13 operating system with the discrete overlay from ASUS. The previous version had been launched at €799 in its 8 and 128GB of version and €899 in 16 and 256GB of storage. We hope that the brand will be able to maintain an attractive price despite generalized inflation. The smartphone could be presented in the last quarter of 2023. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.